Nestled on two private, gated acres, discover unparalleled blend of seclusion and city convenience. The solar-powered gated entrance, beautifully updated residence, featuring an additional living quarter below with 2 additional bedrooms, a second laundry room, family room, and full second kitchen with separate entrance, updated main kitchen with sleek, new quartz countertops and backsplash, and farmhouse sink, tons of cabinetry, and new modern appliances that cater to the cook in the house. Spacious living areas are adorned with rich, new real hardwood flooring, and tons of windows overlooking complete privacy. The renovated owner's bath offers a serene spa-like experience with new vanity and travertine floors and shower. Outdoors, Trex decking surrounds a pristine above-ground pool with a new pump, hot tub, rebuilt back porch, creating an idyllic oasis for entertaining or unwinding in nature. An RV pad with a 50-amp electrical service adds exceptional functionality, making this home ideal for adventure-ready owners. Enhanced by recent upgrades, including 2 new HVAC units, new insulated garage doors and openers, advanced fencing, a 12-zone, full property irrigation system, and a new oversized septic system. This property offers a rare opportunity.